Recently, Yangwang Motors officially announced that its first model, the Yangwang U8, will be launched on September 23. The Yangwang U8 was unveiled in January of this year, and pre-sales began in April at a price of 1.1 million RM, approximately $160,000. In the latest official video, the Yangwang U8 introduces a new high-tech feature, the life-saving emergency flotation capability. The emergency flotation capability of the Yangwang U8 refers to the vehicle's ability to move and steer while floating in water in case of emergencies. This feature mainly utilizes passive trigger technology. When the user actively activates the water crossing mode via the main screen and starts crossing water, the vehicle monitors water depth, vehicle posture, wheel slippage, and other parameters through various sensors. If the conditions for flotation are met, it automatically triggers the emergency flotation mode. So, what can be achieved with the emergency flotation feature of the Yangwang U8? According to BYD, when the vehicle accidentally enters a deep water area and begins floating, it can keep the interior free of visible standing water for up to 30 minutes. During this time, the vehicle can still move forward and steer. The Yangwang U8 emergency flotation capability brings a new dimension to passenger safety. The vehicle's excellent sealing ensures that minimal water enters the interior for at least 30 minutes, giving occupants a significantly increased chance of survival in water. Furthermore, the ability to move and steer the vehicle while afloat greatly enhances the likelihood of self-rescue or getting closer to rescue personnel, reducing the difficulty of rescue. Moreover, from the videos released by BYD, it can be seen that all electronic components of the Yangwang U8 continue to function during water entry and flotation. The sunroof can still be opened, which greatly reduces the possibility of occupants being trapped due to the inability to open windows, significantly improving safety. But how does the Yangwang U8 achieve this emergency flotation feature? It is passively triggered, and when activated, it automatically shuts down the engine, raises the suspension to the highest position, automatically raises the windows, switches the air conditioning to recirculation mode, and adapts the cooling fans for better sealing. At the same time, the sunroof automatically opens to provide an escape route. In extreme situations, the large screen inside the vehicle also displays water depth data and vehicle posture to help users understand the vehicle and its surroundings. Once afloat, the vehicle's interior can remain largely free of standing water for up to 30 minutes, and it won't sink. The rotation of all four wheels allows the vehicle to move at a speed of 3 km per hour. In summary, the Yangwang U8 is positioned as a large extended range SUV with dimensions of 5,319 length, 2,050 width, 1,930 mm height, and a wheelbase of 3,050 mm. The interior design is luxurious, featuring 5 large screens and extensive use of genuine leather, including Nappa leather seats. It also includes a 3-layer laminated glass sunroof and double-layer laminated glass. In terms of power, the Yangwang U8 is equipped with a 4-wheel drive, 4-motor structure with a 2.0T engine serving as a range extender. The maximum power of a single motor is 220 to 240 kilowatts, with a maximum torque of 320 to 420 Newton meters. The total power output is 1,197 horsepower, and it is equipped with Yusufeng blade batteries and a non-load-bearing body. It offers a range of over 1,000 kilometers. Additionally, it has more than 17+1 driving modes to handle various off-road conditions, along with features like pivot turns, infrared thermal imaging, and an onboard satellite phone. It's truly a land tank that can legally be driven on the road. What are your thoughts on the Yangwang U8? Subscribe to my channel to learn more about Chinese automobiles